हे फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सैम्स कॉर्नर। मैं हूँ सैम एंड ये है हरे चने, पपोटा बोलते हैं गुजराती में। आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, सो टेल मी आप क्या बोलते हैं। एंड आज का मेरा टॉपिक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इट्स एंगर। एंड टुडे आई लाइक टू टेल यू समथिंग रियली इंटरेस्टिंग, दैट व्हाई डू वी शाउट व्हेन वी आर एंग्री। तो when two people who are in love with each other, they whisper to each other and still they can hear each other because spiritually their hearts are close to each other, because there is a link between both the hearts which understands. But when they fight, this link weakens because this is a spiritual link, और उसकी वजह से दोनों जो दिल हैं वो दूर जाते हैं। Imagine a lightning falling there and आती है दरार, so the distance between two hearts increases, and that is when the hearts cannot listen. One heart cannot listen to what the other heart is saying, and जब ये होता है तब the immediate reaction of your मनोमय शरीर जो आपका होता है, one day I'll really explain you कौन सा शरीर क्या है, बट जो आपकी बॉडी का थर्ड लेयर है आपकी ऑरा के अंदर, उसे फील होता है डिस्टेंस, एंड तब आपका जो फिजिकल बॉडी है वो ये डिस्टेंस फील करता है, which sends a signal to your heart and your brain that there is a gap between me and this person and I need to shout so that person would listen. That's when you shout. That's when you shout very loudly. अब आप बोलेंगे यार ये कोई बात नहीं हुई, कभी कभी कोई बॉस भी एम्प्लॉय पे चिल्ला देता है, कभी कभी हम उन पे भी चिल्ला देते हैं जिन्हें हम जानते नहीं हैं, but that's the whole thing. When you're not close to somebody, you tend to shout more. When you're close to somebody and something like fight or something happens, you feel so bad and betrayed, you feel that distance has increased, that you shout and you shout more. So basically it's the distance which makes you shout, and that distance turns your anger even more, like it takes you from 30 degree to 50 degree to 500 degree दिमाग का temperature. So what should you do? You should sit quietly, calm yourself, wait for a while, and then start feeling that distance doesn't exist, that the person you just fought with is close enough to you that you could say something in whispers and that person would understand. Sometimes you won't even say anything and that person would understand. So first rule of anger management 101: do not shout, wait for a while, think, take a deep breath and think more, and then react. Maybe I don't follow this yet, but it takes a little bit or a lot more of practice to understand and to practice this in real life. So अगर आपको भी मेरी तरह बहुत गुस्सा आता है and आप भी मेरी तरह रिएक्ट कर जाते हैं, तो कोशिश कीजिए जैसे मैं भी कोशिश कर रही हूँ, and that would stop. तब तक चने खाइए, चने. Okay, so if you liked the explanation and the understanding of my video, you have forgot to like the video actually, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it on all the social networking sites and get this look. Bye.